What's up, homies? Welcome back to the vlog. Alrighty, but we're taking this car today. Look at how dirty this thing is. Oh my god.
All right, today's plan. Just doing this for you guys. We're supposed to get a snowstorm today, and I was waiting for my ski box. I ordered a ski box. I don't know where it is. They lost it in shipping. I'm gonna go to Princess Auto, go grab the ski box. It's about 500 bucks. Looks sleek, looks interesting, looks like it's well built, and that way we'll be able to get the ski box on there on time for the winter because the other one hasn't arrived. We'll get some content with it, see if I like it. It looks sleek and like the similar style as the or the Duals. So at the end of the day, I was like, you know what? Rather than just having the car not sit around with a ski box, let's go grab this one. And I'm gonna take the Volkswagen because the car itself doesn't have enough storage for me to put the ski box on the bottom, and I don't want to, install it in the parking lot because it's probably gonna come in a box. So I'll load up the box here, bring it back home, put it on the car, and then we'll wait for the snowstorm. All right, we're at Princess Auto now, trying to go get this box.
Man, this place is huge. It has so much stuff. More so for like work-related stuff, tractors and this and the tools, etc.
A little hiccup. Went to the other store there, and they have the ski box, but their forklift broke. They said 2 to 3 hours of wait time for me to pick up the ski box. So I had to drive all the way from the Dixie, Mississauga location all the way to Bolton, which was like 40 minutes to get. These guys have 4 in stock, so let's see if their forklifts are not broken. What a disaster. This ski box has been such a mission. I can't even tell you guys.
Let's give this try again at the Bolton location. They're getting it from the warehouse now. It's a big item. All right, boys, we've secured the roof box. Time to take her home. All right, next steps, getting it into here. Fold these seats down and then get this thing loaded up. All right, after a couple of minutes of giving this a shot, trying to load it up. Perfect fit. Oh, wow, that was such a tight fit. Now let's see if this trunk closes. I hope so. If it doesn't, we're screwed. We have to move the seats up a bit. Oh, it doesn't. Okay. God damn, I thought I fit it. Okay. All right, second try, and we got it to fit. Just have to move the seats up a bit.
Back to the house, get it installed, see how it looks.
Let's unload her up, open her up, and then put her on top. All right, before we make this complicated, I'm gonna move this car over here, this car over there, this car over here. And the reason why is because I'm not trying to freeze out in the cold, but I'll take the box out and then assemble and then put it on top of the car. I don't know about you guys, but I always let the RPMs drop before even touching the gear lever, just so I feel like the car's idling a little bit better. But yeah, I'm gonna move the cars quickly. The box is right here. It's too damn close to the R8. Don't like that. And then I'll get it on, man. It's such a pain in the ass. It's sometimes, the more cars, the happier people are, but sometimes the parking spaces can become an issue. So, so you can definitely tell which car gets babied between these two. It's just the tires, to be honest. I got winter tires on this. That's all it really is. All right, let's get this box open and put this damn thing on. All right, got it out of the box. It's like a textured material. And then I'm just gonna assemble some of the bolts that are required and get it back on the car. Got her opened up. Comes with some brand new hardware. Chop this up. Get my key out, some wire, and then these are the holes that I'm supposed to be adjusting the mount plates on. All right, this is what I have for hardware. I got stickers, the leash inside to hold stuff. You got the caps, which will go on the screws at the end, the mounting screws. You got 4 of these. This goes at the bottom. These are your rubberized plates. So these rubberized plates would go at the top of the boxes itself. What's this? Let me read that and I'll get back to you guys on that. Basically, you put the rubber seal down, you put these tabs up, you tighten this up. I'm gonna leave it loose so it has enough space to move around, and I'm gonna straighten it out, and then it opens up from both sides. So it opens up from this side and it opens from the other side, so you can access it whichever way you want. All right, so I got all these sections tightened up. So now I'm gonna adjust the roof box from the back. So I just gotta make sure it's centered a bit, and then I'm gonna tighten everything down. All right, so I'm just putting these blockers on, which go basically in these holes. I just had 2 holes to fill technically, and then the rest of them were all filled. Next thing I gotta put is these caps between the screws. So right there, I believe that's where they go, and then we should be done. So we're good to go. They cover the top. I got those holes covered. We're good to go. Ski box is done. I don't know if you guys can see it. Oh man, I'm exhausted, but I'm gonna go take some pictures and I'll do the reveal for you guys and how the car finally turned out. All right guys, moment you've been waiting for. I thought I'd reveal it in a nicer setting. Car's filthy, but just the way it is in the winter regardless. So I'm gonna just show you guys how the car looks now. Look at how beautiful that turned out. Perfect size, so it's not too big, too small. And then it hangs off on the back just a little, but it pretty much covers just the top portion. And then you got the proportions perfectly from this side and the front roof. I didn't want too long of a ski box, but there you guys have it. I know it's been crazy, and the winter storm's up, so I'll get some clips of us doing some crazy stuff in the winter storm if I do take the car out, which I probably will. All right guys, let's clean the driveway. Roof box is on. Let's go get some gas. Let's go get some food. Start this car up in the snow. Woo! God damn, a lot of snow. It took me like literally an hour to clean up the snow. My God. If I get stuck, I get stuck. I'm joking. I don't think I'll get stuck, but god damn, this thing is taking so long to defrost. There's a lot of snow built up, so I gotta be super careful, but car's moving. Just drift my way onto the road. There we go. There we go, look at that. Back out onto the road. Not bad at all. Get some gas first, and then we'll see if we can find a dope spot to take some pictures with the roof. All right, got the gas. Still makes me laugh. Going up this hill. See if we can make it, boys and girls. See if we can make it. Momentum is everything. No, I'm kidding. I just like to screw around with you guys. I'm used to driving the rear wheel drive cars, so look at that. No traction, just winter tires. It'll go up. Again, it's not a lot of snow on the roads now because of the plows have gotten it, right? So what a fun drive that was. My God, that was a fun drive. Look at the snow. Look at how beautiful it looks. It's like past midnight right now. This car handled it really well. That's how we do it. Look at that. My goodness. What a sight to see. Anyways, guys,
I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I know it was kind of all over the place today, from grabbing it to enjoying the snowstorm with it, but I am super happy with the result of the ski box. The car looks fantastic. It is a dream build of mine to build a German sedan, like an RS6 or a C63, and just do some wild stuff with it. So this is my closest venture with the ski box situation, and then we'll go from there. But I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment. I'm looking forward to some crazy shenanigans now we have this thing on. Look at the weather outside. It is amazing. I'm gonna go for a little bit of a spin and a drive. Clearance issue is not an issue. So far the bumper hasn't torn off, so we should be okay. I'll give you guys an update if it does tear off. But otherwise, enjoy your night, enjoy the video, and this is the C63 with the ski box, boys. I don't know if you guys can tell how much snow there is on the ground. I'm just going right through it. Oh, it's been a fun time today. Unfortunately, I'm just vlogging alone. I couldn't really get out too much for the other car shots, but there is so much snow on the ground, and this blizzard is just I don't know if you would call it a blizzard, but god damn. Let me show you guys how much snow there is. Look at that. The car is still moving though. All right, peace. I know I said the outro before. It's all good.